it's Megan with WTI, and do you want to know my fastest trick for having a gourmet meal from home? It is definitely this TRUFF Arrabbiata pasta sauce. This pasta sauce tastes so rich and incredible. The umami black truffle flavor in this sauce comes through so perfectly. It is so easy to prepare a 5-star meal using this sauce. I simply need to heat it up on the stove and put it on whatever pasta shape I desire. This sauce has a little touch of spiciness, which in my opinion just adds to the overall addictive nature of this sauce. My husband raves about this sauce every time we have it. I love having a jar of this sauce in my pantry at all times. It is awesome for when we want to have a little special meal for ourselves, or if we want to offer something extra fancy to our guests. It especially comes in handy when those guests show up unexpectedly. I personally like it with cheese-filled tortellini or ravioli. This TRUFF pasta sauce may have a little bit of a higher price point than other pasta sauces out there, but let me tell you, those other pasta sauces don't have a thing on this one. And that's my point of view.